Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to use your Telegram on multiple devices, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use your same Telegram on two devices. Since I have not multiple devices, so that's why I'm just installed these dual apps for Telegram. I will show through this. To do that, just open your Telegram app where you want to log in your Telegram account. Now just tap on this start messaging. Now write your number here. Once you type your phone number here, just tap on this arrow. Now click yes. Now you have to write your email address here, which email address you have added to your Telegram account before. So just write your email address here. Then just you will receive a code in your Telegram app, like your older device Telegram app. So go to that device and open Telegram. I mean your old Telegram app. Now open the Telegram chat from this. You can see there is a message from Telegram. Just copy this code. Now go to your new device. Like I'm just going my new app here. 21685. And here we are. We have successfully logged in our Telegram account on this app. So if I show you, you can see the same Telegram is logged in with these two device or two app. So basically this is how you can easily log in your Telegram account on multiple devices and you can use them at a time. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.